Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of counting that as a range. I know, like, definitely outside of that window, we've literally been stuck between like 19 and 22. Um, but I'm looking at that as part of that range. But yeah, I mean, you could say we have this tight little range like that 19 to 22, and then you have like, and obviously, we've touched down to high 17s and stuff. Um, so the outer bands, take you to high 17s, and then the upper band is basically 25K. But my whole thing is like, I'm not looking at Bitcoin as like price action bullish until I see us crack above 25K and pretty much confirm that.
Yeah, makes
So,
sense.
which at the same time, you know, if you're bullish Bitcoin, then every time it touches into the 19s, technically you should be a buyer because then your upside is 25K, um, theoretically. And then if it was to break that, then that's when you really make some good money because at that point, we'll probably run into 29, 30. But I feel like everyone's still waiting for it to break lower. I still feel like that's the vibe. And that's,
Yeah.
I'm in that party. I'm like, I want to buy it lower. Like, when are you gonna break? So maybe it won't just because everyone's waiting for it.
Yeah, I mean, the name recognition on Bitcoin now compared to the last bear market is so different. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the bottom. This 18K range.
And I mean, think about it. When we were first coming down, a lot of people, I mean, shit, when we were holding 30K, a lot of people like, oh, that's going to hold. And then a lot of people like, no, we're going to, go down to the prior all-time high from the last bubble, right? And then we got there and, started pushing through it. And people like, oh, we're going to 10K. But, that prior all-time high at 20K, I mean, that's essentially what we're holding, you know? So it'd be funny if that ends up working out.
Yeah.
The big descending triangle that was happening off the all-time high turned out to be a non-event. We literally just pushed out of it sideways. It didn't do anything. And that was a pretty clear descending triangle. Turned out to be a non-event.
Yeah.
I don't even know I have the line on my chart anymore. So just, you disappoint me, descending triangle. You had one job.